So apparently the Tesla Cybertruck, even though it doesn't have full self-driving or anything, it has automatic emergency braking. So this guy here in the Mustang or whatever that is, he was like in the left right turn lane. I was on the like far right turn lane, and then he decided to like just cut in. The thing slammed on the brakes. And I was like, are you serious? I would have been okay, but I guess just in case it like smashed in. I was like, oh my god, all the stuff in my car flew forward. So that was pretty crazy. I wasn't expecting it to do that. So yeah, that's something. I guess the cars really do brake on their own. That's interesting. Let's see if you can see it again. So he's like, I'm in this lane. Like he went all the way from the left. Like what a idiot. Like what the hell is this? Like what the heck? It doesn't look like it slammed the brakes that hard in the video, but it like smashed the brakes.